Just had this Fluke 1651B in the post. I'm just having a look, see, well, I've already took it to pieces, I know it works. It's needs a new battery installing. I think the fuse is blown, but I'll check that. And that's about all I was wrong with it, but I wanted to do a strip down video anyway, so quite easy to get into. So you need a flat drive screwdriver to get into your battery cover. So that's your battery cover off. Obviously mine ain't got the battery pack in there. You can just touch a 9-volt battery to that and it'll, as long as they've got the positive and the negative the right way around, and I just tested it and it's turning on. I haven't got one of them leads, so I'm hoping just a normal lead will work in it. My old one never had that, so I don't know what that's all about. Right, so these side covers come off. Then you got 4 PH2 screws. And you have to like pull it, and then undo these clips at the same time, like pull them to one side. Like that. And that cover comes off. And then you got this top upper board, you got a lower board, and this like LCD screen panel you can take out. All these are disconnected because I didn't want to mess about these cables too much. I will push them in when I finally put it back together for the last time, but you got to be gentle with these ribbon cables. So there's your LCD screen. 4 screws to get into that. I'm not going to go any further because I don't want to mess up the buttons and the selector switch. So to get this one out, you got 3 PH1 screws. I'm not sure where the adjustments are for calibrating, but and there's another 2 PH2 screws on this plastic one, on this plastic piece for the battery holder. And there's like a little catch there, so it's like lifted up and lifted over. That's it. And obviously the last one is just held in place by these twisty bits. Looks like all the adjustments are done at the back there, so don't want to be messing about with any of that. A lot going on in there. Good tools these are. So I'm just going to put it back together, buy a battery pack, test the leads, and hopefully it's alright.